Be strong.
Welcome to another vlog 12 years gone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, anywhere you're at in the world. And guess what? I have found another thrift store. But this time it's a gaming thrift store named Bookoff from PS3, 4, 5, you name it, book, CD, they are here. Stay tuned for a lot to come. Yes, people, I'm in Bookoff right now, and I have to show you just about everything on display. Bookoff is the name of the place. The thing sell everything. The place sell everything. Yes, I know that I am repeating myself. From books to electronics. And guess what? It's all second hand and cheap. Cheap as ever. Cheap as ever. Bookoff start in Japan based on my little research from way back in 1991. And now them they all over the country of Japan. I discovered them by accident when I just reached Japan, and today I really get a chance to check them out in depth. And I can't stop talk about this store, and trust me, I will return. Them clean, friendly, and full of vibes, just like back home. Alright, in terms of books, Japanese manga, these are like some comic strip books. They have the English novel, they even have school books, CDs, and DVDs. They sell that from reggae to rock, anime to movies, games. As I mentioned when I just started this vlog, they have PS1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have the Switch, old school, like Super Famicom, electronics, used phone, they sell that as well. Tablets, and sometimes even cameras. This place really sell off. Toys as well. And figures, anime characters, collectors, items, you name it. This is the place. Bookoff. Bookoff. I'm telling you, this is the place to be. Let me go over this again. In category, Bookoff sells a wide variety of items, books and media, such as Japanese and English novels, manga and light novels, children's books, study guide and language books, magazine, DVDs and Blu-rays, anime, box set, CDs, vinyl records. Where video games and consoles are concerned, this is the place to buy them for little or nothing. And I'm talking about game consoles, PS5, PS4, PS3, Nintendo Switch, II, DS, etc. You name it. Retro consoles, they are here. Game controllers and accessories, they are here. I see them with my two eyes. Game cartridges and this, and they are for an affordable price. I can't believe this. You have another Bookoff that sells smartphones, iPhones and Androids, that is, tablets, e-readers, laptops and PC, the whole yard. And the prices are very reasonable. So whenever You are on this side of the world. Please save your money and pay Bookoff a visit. Let me repeat, if you are ever in Japan and want to stretch your yen, Bookoff are the place to shop. Big up to them for bringing affordable vibes to the people. This are 12 years gone. I may soon come back with more Japan adventures. Bless upon yourself, and as usual, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Visit our business page to find all your natural skincare products at jamcaribltglue.com. Again, have a good morning, have a good afternoon, have a good evening, have a good night, anywhere you're at in the world. One love.